Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel KavuCreative. Today, I will creating a geometric logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Let's start. Double clicks on the artboard tool and the tool menu. Check mark on show center mark in display section. Then press OK. Select color from the color plates. Select ellipse tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right width and height as 100 pixels. Press OK. Go to Transform panel. Select 45 degree from High End Angle. Go to Pathfinder panel and click on Unites. Select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right angle as 45 degrees and click on Copy. Change its color from the color plates. Select both and select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right angle as 90 degrees and click on Copy. Press Ctrl+D key 2 times. Select Rectangle tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on artboard. Right width and height as 50 pixels. Press OK. Select Pen tool from the tool menu. Make left to right diagonal. Now, select both and select Shape Builder tool from tool menu. Make separate shapes. Change its color. Hold the Shift key and drag right object to left side. Again, hold the Shift key and drag left object to top side. Select them and hold Shift key and rotate it 45 degrees. Now put it to top center of circle. Select Rotate tool from the tool menu. Hold the Alt key and left click on the center of the artboard. Right angle as 45 degrees and click on Copy. Press Ctrl+D key 6 times. Select all and go to Object menu and select Expand. Press OK. Now, go to Pathfinder panel and click on Divide. Select Magic Wand tool from tool menu. Select white color and press Delete key. Now, it looks fantastic. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.